Hello, this is Sergio from the ClinicSense support team, and I'm excited to show you our new waitlist feature. If during the booking process your client can't find a time that works for them, they can join the waitlist. They'll be able to select all the appointment lengths that work for them. They can confirm what practitioner's waitlist they'd like to join, and they can select which days of the week work for their availability. Next, they'll be able to choose what time range works for them. When they click next, they'll decide how long they'll want to be on your waitlist for. Once they review their settings, they can confirm and join your waitlist. They'll receive an email confirming that they've been added to the waitlist, but they'll also be prompted to book an appointment in one of the times that you already have available. At the top right of your calendar, you'll notice a waitlist button. If you click on it, you'll see a list of all of your clients within your waitlist. You can filter by practitioner, date, and start time. From here, you can book a client directly by clicking on the book button. And from your calendar, if you click on any available time slot, you'll see a new schedule from waitlist option. If you click on it, you'll see a filtered view of your waitlist to show any available clients that can be booked during this time. Also, I'm excited to share that this is only phase 1 of our waitlist feature, and our developers are already working on phase 2. In this next phase, we're looking to introduce automation so that people who are already on the waitlist can automatically be notified if there's an opening on your schedule. So I hope you're excited as we are about our new waitlist feature. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Our email is support@clinicsense.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.